Road signs contribute a great percentage on your DMV test score, and if you get 30 of these 40 US road signs, passing is 99.9% assured. Let's dive in. Guess this traffic sign. Yes, it is the no pedestrian crossing sign. Name this road sign. Exactly, it is the yield at roundabout sign. Identify this traffic sign. That's right, it is the workers ahead sign. Guess this road sign. You got it, it is the dangerous crosswind sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely spotted, it is the cattle area sign. Guess this road sign. Well done, it is the uneven surface sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great catch, it is the bump sign. Guess this road sign. Yes, it is the drawbridge sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the school speed limit ahead sign. Guess this road sign. That's right, it is the airport sign. Identify this traffic sign. You got it, it is the snowmobile sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely spotted, it is the handicapped sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well done, it is the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. Great catch, it is the interstate marker with state, 2 digits, sign. Identify this traffic sign. Yes, it is the camping sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly, it is the no littering sign. Identify this traffic sign. That's right, it is the narrow underpass sign. Guess this road sign. You got it, it is the forest route sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely spotted, it is the tourist information sign. Guess this road sign. Well done, it is the telephone sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great catch, it is the flagger ahead sign. Guess this road sign. Yes, it is the gasoline sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the single-lane transition sign. Guess this road sign. That's right, it is the diesel fuel sign. Identify this traffic sign. You got it, it is the dip sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely spotted, it is the trailer camping sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well done, it is the no all-terrain vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. Great catch, it is the alternative fuel, compressed natural gas, sign. Identify this traffic sign. Yes, it is the food sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly, it is the park and ride sign. Identify this traffic sign. That's right, it is the vehicle ferry terminal sign. Guess this road sign. You got it, it is the lodging sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely spotted, it is the library sign. Guess this road sign. Well done, it is the bus station sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great catch, it is the train station sign. Guess this road sign. Yes, it is the skaters permitted sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the equestrian sign. Guess this road sign. That's right, it is the golf cart sign. Identify this traffic sign. You got it, it is the no snowmobile sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely spotted, it is the horse-drawn vehicle sign. Well done making it to the end. Make sure to subscribe for the latest road signs video and DMV driving tips. Watch these videos on your screen to keep learning.